guys, your girl Capri here, and I am back with a brand new video. For this video, I am going to be using for the very first time a Korean clay mask. It's more like a rubber mask, a molding mask. Lately my skin has not been cooperating with me so much. I still think I have very pretty skin, but I can see like little bumps wanting to form, and I want to make sure I do a pore treatment on my skin so that I am continuing to make sure my skin is healthy. So I went to the Korean makeup store. This makeup store is very popular in Korea. It's called Olive Young. I hope I am saying that correctly. If I'm not, guys, please forgive me. I'm going to be applying this mask on my face and trying it out for the very first time. Now, I did do some research. This mask is very popular. It has been known. It is by Lindsay. As you guys can see, it's by Lindsay. And it is the Cool Tea Tree mask. It comes in a cup. It also has a spatula inside of the cup to help mix and everything, and the directions are in Korean, and it does have some English directions on there as well. So if you're interested in this video, please make sure you continue to watch, and also before we get into this video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Go ahead and open this. This is what it looks like. And there is a little scoop cup in there. I'm just gonna pour a cup of water and mix. It smells like peppermint, maybe tea tree. I'm all done mixing, and I'm going to start applying this to my face. Also grab me a little rag just in case it gets everywhere. I'm going to start applying to my face. Guys, please don't mind my roots on my hair. I'm gonna be dyeing my hair again soon. My hair is growing so fast, so yeah, don't mind my roots. Almost got in my eye. Ah! Guys, I don't want this in my eye. I'll probably go crazy if this gets in my eye. I'm all done. I'm going to let this sit for 15 minutes. You can let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, but I'm going to let mine sit for 15 minutes. So I'm going to start my timer on 15 minutes, and I'll see you guys when I get back. I'm back, and I have 8 seconds left, and it is time to peel this off. So let's peel this off. Okay, so I'm going to start from the bottom. Let me. Okay, guys, this is not. I can't even grab it. Okay, there we go. So, start from the bottom. Look how rubbery that is. Like, look at that. Like, you guys seeing how this went on. It went on very watery. Like, look at that. Okay. Yes, guys, look at this. What the? Girl, I can't even laugh. I can't even laugh. Oh my god. I'm gonna finish filming. This is amazing. God, look at that. It comes off so easy. Like, look at that. Guys, amazing. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. Super easy to go on. Super. And it smells so amazing. And guys, I don't know if you guys can already see, but don't my skin look lighter? Like, if you look at the beginning of the video, my skin looks lighter to me. My skin looks lighter. I'm gonna finish peeling this off and I'll be right back. So guys, I am back. Look at my skin, guys. Like, I'm gonna come up close. Don't mind my little bumps because I have not been taking care of my skin like I should. But as you guys can see, like, my skin is so soft right now. And to me, it made my skin looks like it made it look lighter for some reason. Maybe it's just me, but it made my skin look lighter. But I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like also after it starts to dry up in the cup. And this is what it looks like. It starts to get all like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it starts to get all jelly. Like, look, it's all stiff and jelly. It's not even, remember when I first started, it was like a watery consistency. It started to get a little watery. Yeah, but this is what it looks like after it starts to dry up. I'm actually glad I bought another one. The other one that I bought was vitamin, and I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this one soon as well, and I actually like it. I think it made my face feel smooth, very soft. Like I said, it also looks like I'm lighter for some reason. I might be tripping, but to me, I look a little bit lighter for some reason. It does say after you peel this off, go ahead and tone your face and follow up with your routine that you regularly do. Meaning, after using this, use something to tone your face, wash your face, you know, how you usually do at night or in the morning. And that's it. And I'm like, this is it. It's done. Like, guys, like, I really feel like it did something for my skin. The way it felt on my face, you know, it didn't feel all like slimy and gooey and ooey. It actually felt refreshing on my face. I don't have any bad thing to say about this product. It actually did make my face feel smoother and softer. I will continue to keep you guys posted. I may go back and get some more, but I'm going to try the vitamin one and see how that one does. The one that I used in this video, it is for your pores, cooling and pore treatment. The vitamin one is for more like moisturizing and brightening your skin. So guys, I hope you guys like this video, and like I always say, until my next video, guys, I will see you guys later. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later.